Now I am going to discuss the topic is array. So what is array? We have to discuss. First we have to know what is the data type. So we have to store the values, single values into the variable like this. Single value stored into the single variable. Okay. For example, we have to store the float value, take the single variable and single value. For example, we have to store the number of values at a time in a single variable. Is it possible? Not possible. So if it is possible, throw the topic array. Okay, the array is nothing but collection of related data items. Okay, collection of related data items is called as array. Or another definition is also there. The homogeneous data type is also called as array. Okay, what is the homogeneous? Means same data type values. Okay, is nothing but array. So let's see here. We have to store the number of values but same data type. If you want to take the integer, take all integer values like this. Okay, so if you want to take the float values, you have to take only float values. Does not enter int values, and combination of float values is not an array. If you want to enter only integer, enter all integer values. If you want to enter float values, enter only float values. Does not combine the float and int here. Okay, this is called as array. Array is nothing but collection of related data items or homogeneous data type values. Homogeneous means same data type values. Like this, if you want to take integer, take integer values only. If you want to take float, take float values only. Okay, this is called as array. So how we can declare the array? The array is declared data type, array name and index. Here we are called index or size of array. Okay, see, for example, data type means I am taking here integer. Array name means take any value or anything. I am taking. Index means how many values you have to take. You have to initialize first. If you want to take 10 values, write 10. If you want to take 11 values, it is not 10. You have to write 11 here. If you want to, here you have to take 10 values, you have to insert below 10 values only, not above 10 values. Okay, enter below 10 values or 10 values. If you want to enter above 10 values, this one is not considered. Okay, if you want to enter the below or equal values, does not enter the above values. Okay, so that is called as index of an array or size of an array. Like this, int a equal 10 means we have to enter the up to how many values? 10 values. Okay, below 10 values or 10 values. Okay, this is the declaration of an array. So what is the initialization? Initialization means data type, array name, okay, index and elements of an array. Okay, it is an initialization of array. Example, data type means int, array name a, size means 10, elements means you have to take up to 10 values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the initialization of an array. So how to store the array values into the memory? So listen here. Array values are index starts with the 0. Index starts with a 0, ends with n minus 1. For example, take this example. Okay, here one value is stored into the a of 0. A of 0 stored into the 1 value. A of 1 stored into the 2 value. A of 3 stored the 3 value. A of 2 stored the 3 value. Up to A of 7 store the 8 value. Means 8 value means here n minus 1 value. Starts with 0, ends with n minus 1. Like this way the memory will store the array values. Okay. Next.